Delhi deserves better. Our capital city deserves better. This is what Delhiites are waking up to these days. Children of Delhi are learning about air purifiers and inhalers before learning the alphabets. The AQI has crossed 1000, but oh, it doesn't matter. Because India doesn't even accept the WHO standards. It apparently is setting its own standards for the AQI. And the very lovely Chief Minister calls AQI a temperature. See, in 2015, Delhi and Beijing were almost on the same page. Both of them had toxic air, choking winters, and both of them were a global embarrassment. Now, fast forward to 2025, China actually fixed it. China launched aggressive nationwide clean air measures. It implemented top-down governance. China shut down thousands of polluting units. They shifted to electric vehicles. Their whole public transport system was electrified. Strong controls were imposed on coal boilers, residential heating, and vehicular emission. Now, both India and China have very similar environmental laws. But ऐसे कैसे one country was successful and the other just got worse? I'll tell you the difference. China has long-term action plans, meaning they will continuously keep working towards reducing the air pollution throughout the year. But in India, the measures are only taken when the condition becomes severe and critical. GRAP is only implemented once the air quality crosses 500. Secondly, China has strong political will and accountability. But in India, pollution laws तो है, but only on paper. The implementation gets lost somewhere between the bureaucracy and corruption. Every year, same drama. Governments blame each other. But the truth is, nobody has honestly worked to actually fix this. This time it cannot be about optics or apologies. This time it has to be about action. Because clean air is not a luxury or a favor. It's a basic human right. This is Kirtana and I think